Stop doing these three things as a marketer in 2024, devoting all of your efforts onto one platform. What you want to do is to reach different audiences across platforms, including TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Little Red Book, even for a Chinese audience, to make sure that you are widening your reach, reaching different audiences, and then converting those to sales on different platforms. Pouring a ton of money into one-time influencer executions. A lot of brands seem to think that, hey, if I just could get this one influencer with 7 million followers, that's all I need to do. However, marketing is a long game. You need to make sure that you're also working UGC content, you're doing collaborations, you're negotiating long-term partnerships, because one time, one spike is not going to carry you through the entire year. The third thing is creating content for content. Stop doing that, because in 2024, it's a hybrid of how you can leverage AI tools or creativity to enhance the AI tools, and also adding an unconventional approach to marketing. A great example of this would be the brand Jacquemus. So we're going to take a closer look at that in one of our upcoming videos.